class who's done the coffee cafe, because I made an adjustment for you guys because I knew we had a shorter amount of time, and plus I'm teaching this whole class based on how this is a completely a brand new process. Nothing has really changed as far as how the class goes. Every content is still there. So all I did was just revise Coffee Cafe to make it a little more easier so we can complete it in time. Because I had a couple situations where the last day, that's when we started finishing up the last thing. And I don't want to do that. I want to make sure that you guys have enough sufficient time. So I just made adjustments. So that's why what I posted to you guys was from the previous class, and because we got rid of a few things, so that's why I expected we were supposed to finish on page 12, but we finished on page 10. So we're gonna start on page 11. Okay, and here we go. You're gonna tell me what to do now, because now you guys are the accountants. All right.
Are we all getting paid ready to go home early?
No, remember that's not how that's not how it works. If you didn't complete your task, that means you have to stick around and do overtime.
Yeah.
All right.
That's true.
So,
On June 22nd, purchased from Wholesale Foods store 60 pounds of sugar at at 36 cents a pound
okay.
for $21.60.
Okay.
15 cases of non-dairy creamer.
All right.
Each case is $16.33 a pound or per case.
Okay.
For a total of $266.55.
Wow.
And it is paid with a business credit card.
All right.
And so you need to go to the journal and count receivable.
No,
No.
we gotta do sugar.
Yes. We're purchasing an asset.
Sugar, okay, and then also creamer,
Yes.
and then on the credit account would be the accounts, the Visa payable.
Correct. Visa payable.
Yes.
Payable. All right.
Thank
What
you,
are
Lee.
what account numbers are those?
Okay, so now the account numbers. I haven't found my chart of accounts.
Okay,
Someone's got that handy, right?
Yes. Yes.
1170,
Say that again.
11,770,
11 770.
11,770,
Okay.
11,
75.
11,775.
Perfect.
Okay.
And then my Visa payable is going to be
As soon as I find it, I'll tell you. I can't find it. Please do it.
Oh, it's, oh, wait a minute, I'm looking at the wrong thing.
Should be under liability somewhere.
Yes, the second one, 22.
Okay, 2,200.
Yeah,
perfect.
20,000.
Good.
2,200 or 1,000?
1,000.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
And description, supplies.
Okay. Where do we go? Where do we purchase it? Where did we get these supplies from?
Wholesale.
Wholesale foods.
Food store.
Wholesale foods store. Okay. And that's it. I don't think there's anything else to it. Okay. So, what does each account have?
So we have debit
Bless you.
of 2160 for sugar. And debit of 244.95 for creamer. Visa payable credit 266.55.
$266.55. Good. All right.
We go to our chart of accounts, or,
Ew.
our ledger.
Mm-hmm.
770.
Okay, so, we go under
The
sugar.
page, bottom of page 5,
5, okay.
6, 2,
Yes.
journal 11. For
Good.
26, 20, 21, 60.
How many pounds did we buy? 60 pounds?
Oh,
Yeah.
60 pounds of sugar, yes,
General journal number 11 for 2160, giving us a grand total of
43.20 for running balance.
4320. Correct. And then I
And
put
then,
page 6.
Page 6 is creamer.
Page 6. Creamer.
Journal 11. And that for a debit of 244.95. And
244.95. Bless you.
bless you. A running balance of 293.85.
94.
I got 94.
Okay, I'll do it again. 244.95 plus 48. Two 293.85.
No, it's 99 cents. 48.99.
I'm saying 45.
What is 45?
Yeah, it is 45.
That was way back on
244.
page 5, and we've already balanced on that.
Okay,
So 48.99.
Uh-huh.
Oh, that's because there was already a, yeah, okay.
Uh-huh.
I got it, yeah, I see what's happening.
So 9 plus 5 is 4. So carry the 1 over. It's 19. So your ending should be 94 cents.
Yes,
293.89.
293.94.
Yes.
Why am I coming up to 89?
Okay, David, just look at this problem. If you can manually do it. 244.95
Two.
Wait, hold on. Did you get it, David?
94.
Okay, perfect. All right, then where are we gonna go now? Liabilities.
Oh, don't tell me it's going out.
Yep, these are payable liability.
All right, we were doing so good until we had to wait until we had to buy more supplies. Sugar and creamer.
What page is that for the,
17
fees of payable, yeah,
or 18? 18.
yes, I got it, thank you.
Sugar and creamer. General journal number 11. And we're making a payment, or we paid $266.55. Which brings my balance to what?
655. Balance of 811.53 plus 66.55. It'll be 1,078.08.
Perfect.
Okay.
Actually, I could probably just make this a little bigger. There There you go.
Okay. Yeah, I'm back.
Oh, okay.
Where are we at?
We just entered in the Visa payable.
Easy payable.
Yes.
Let me get to that. Let me do that. 2,000. Here's payable. Oops. 22. 622. 211. And that's for 266. 5. For running balance of 1,088. Oh,
Yep.
well, thank you for waiting up for me.
Yeah, of course. So, where do we go next?
Subsidiary.
Subsidiary.
Because we got to note that we purchased that thing from that place.
Mm-hmm. Whole Food store. Yeah.
Yeah, I couldn't think of the name.
Yeah,
Wholesale Foods. Okay.
very last page.
Two.
Yes, very
Yeah,
last
last
page.
And,
So
for notes,
61.
sugar and creamer slash Visa card. And post reference is Journal 11.
What's our invoice number again?
We don't
This
have
is,
one.
Oh, we don't have one here.
General Journal number 11.
It'd be 2655. And due date. Do we have a due date on it?
No, because we paid it in store.
We're paying it now. I mean, we paid it.
Yeah.
By Visa. Remember we used the Visa?
Mm-hmm. So we don't owe anything to the store, but we owe Visa.
Right, we still owe.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
Anything else?
I want to say inventory, but no.
No. Correct. The sugar and creamer are not inventory items, they are business supplies.
Yeah.
Okay.
Scenario.
Now we have an invoice from Atlas Coffee Importers.
So invoice 344. Where do we put that?
Purchase foods, let me find the slack.
Bless you.
Bless you.
Thank you.
Uh,
We have to go to our inventory sheets,
Okay.
but not yet, right?
Well, let's look at the scenario at hand.
purchase order. Form.
This is not a purchase order. This is perpetual inventory.
Oh, I know.
Oh, you meant down at the bottom. Yes.
Because Atlas Coffee on 618 for $200 to $370. A purchase order.
Yes, good. So what was the invoice number? Is this the exact one for our $370?
Yes.
Yes, so we can validate that yes, we received it. Invoice number 344. Okay. All right.
Okay.
Our purchase orders, we check it out.
Yeah, that was you want me to go back? Purchase orders?
Yeah, right.
Okay.
Purchase order. Okay. Oh, here it is. Okay.
Bless you.
So we're using the purchase order for, what is that? Did I miss something?
No, this is just, yeah, this is us just keeping track of our purchase orders.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, so we received the inventory,
Invoice.
so now we can check mark it off so we know that we received it. Nothing else happened. Because it's very important. I mean, this is very, very basic. If you're gonna make a purchase order, why would you send it out and not let anybody know about it? And then you're just gonna have shipments come in. Because the great thing about having a purchase order is, oh shoot, I forgot to buy this. Oh man, I'm gonna cancel this order. So that's the purpose of our purchase order. If you make any cancellations, at least you can revise it.
Okay.
Okay, and make it keep. And it's also very, very important that you keep track of exactly what you buy, because what if you order stuff and you have it on automatic pay, and then you realize, oh, aren't I supposed to be receiving something? You know, it's good to that you keep track of it,
Right.
Yes.
especially if you're the inventory manager.
Exactly.
All right, so
So we know we received this. And did we ever receive our purchase order? Because I show here 170306. Did we receive that for 360, 250 from, Atlas Coffee? I think we did.
yep, it was invoice number 315.
350.
Now, we don't have any outstanding.
No, yes, exactly. We have nothing outstanding.
Right,
Good.
that's the only one I had empty. Okay.
Okay.
That's good. All right.
All right, so let's go ahead and journalize this. Okay, so let's look at the transaction at hand. How much coffee did we receive? For how much?
It's 125 pounds regular coffee.
Uh-huh.
Regular coffee. Wait a minute, I don't think we separate that. Do we just put 250?
What's 250?
Oh, no, wait a minute, because they're different coffees.
Right, they're different coffees.
Okay, so regular coffee,
Correct.
120.
Regular coffee.
Supreme coffee, okay.
I keep writing supremum. There you go. All right. Okay. All right, so we have regular coffee and supreme coffee because it's perpetual inventory.
Yes.
How did we pay them?
Credit card.
Visa.
Oh, no. These was.
Oh, wait a minute, that was
This
previous.
is a purchase order. That's a checking.
Did we write a checkout?
No,
No.
this is accounts payable.
Yes. We're given terms, so therefore we didn't pay them. Accounts payable. Okay, so accounts payable is 20,000. All right, so how much of what goes into what?
Well, 171.25 for regular coffee,
Uh-huh.
198.75 for Supreme,
Good. Giving us a grand total of
70.
perfect. Good. All right. What do we put for the description? Just so that we can finish off our journal.
Start with the name of the place. That
Uh-huh.
copy. And invoice number
344.
144.
And just for keepsake, let's go ahead. Put the terms in. So 1%, 15.
Net 30.
Good.
Okay.
Okay.
9%, 15, net 30.
Perfect.
All right.
To go to our ledger.
Ledger. Okay.
I should have this memorized by now. Keep going to it this often.
Oh, ledger.
Regular coffee. It'll be on page 7.
7. Okay. Thank you.
Okay.
6, 2, 11. Yep.
Excuse me.
$5.47 on the code.
Huh?
Right?
What was that?
I have no idea. He said $5 and something on the credit side. What do you mean? Are we increasing inventory or are we decreasing inventory?
We purchased it, so we're increasing.
We are increasing. That is correct. Okay, so what is my new total in my inventory?
Look on the screen.
Well, I encourage, you to do the work too.
I know.
$5.47. So we're on the credit side, $5.47.
Why are we crediting this account?
No, we're on the credit side. We debited the account, and the debit minus the debit.
Why would you debit minus? We are adding. This is an asset. If we're the debits increase assets.
377, 337.03.
377.03. Yes, because
No,
we are not subtracting. We are increasing our asset, right? We're gonna replenish our inventory, right? For all the things that we sold, we're finally upping it up because we just bought more inventory.
yeah.
So you add it because we're increasing our assets.
And it's a frame on the next page. 6, 22, 11. And we want to,
11.
yeah, 2011. We want to debit 198.75.
And we're gonna debit general journal 11. We're gonna debit how much? 198.75.
198.75.
What page are you on?
He said 11. I feel like you're on the second page of
No, no, that's post reference. General Journal 11.
Oh,
Page number 8.
oh, 8.
Page
Okay, I was
number
gonna
8.
say, wait a minute. I don't see that at all here.
No, page.
Yeah,
we
okay,
just,
gotcha.
next page back.
Yes, I got you. Thank you.
No problem. If I go too fast, just yell at me.
Well, I don't want to yell, but I mean, I appreciate you giving me the page number.
You just tell me to slow down.
Okay.
One. The debit for 198.75 running balance of $474 or 74 cents.
Good. 474 cents is correct.
Alright.
And
All
we
right.
want to let's go find accounts payable.
That should be on page 17. If you guys have already reached the second page, so it should be page 18.
I did
Oh, no,
17.
Not yet. It's on 17 still.
Okay.
Still 17.
Oopsie, wrong date. June 22nd. And what did we buy?
370
Invoice
on credit.
number
44.
344. General Journal
TJ 11.
11. And we're increasing our accounts payable by 370. Which gives us how much?
Bless you. 24,061.
I got 24,961.
Okay. 12, 87, 9.61 plus 370, 13, 24, 961.
Good.
I forgot about the 9.
Yes. Okay. So, where do we go now?
They were done with the journal or ledger.
Mm-hmm.
We have to go to our inventory sheets.
Inventory.
Yes, we can go there.
Okay.
Um,
And regular coffee. 622.
so 622. Okay. We bought 125. I think at 137. Yes, 137. Perfect.
171.25.
All right.
Doesn't look like a 7.
Oh, yeah, you should see mine. Yeah.
I'm like, what the heck did I just write?
Forget descriptions.
Right.
They're out the window.
For sure.
622.
We
No freight.
not yet. We do have freight, but we're gonna stop here because we gotta enter the freight in so we can go ahead and update our inventory.
Oh, okay.
Okay.
Okay. So Supreme Coffee. We also got one.
2,
I think it was for 159.
5. Uh, 198.75.
198.75. We'll leave it there. Okay. All right. Where else do we need to go?
Where's that scenario again?
Subsidiary.
Subsidiary. Yes, we have to update the our vendor.
Yes.
Right.
And for Atlas.
For Atlas Coffee, yes.
Coffee.
So for you guys, that should be page 3. If not, it's probably page 4.
Yeah, it's page 3.
Okay, so 622. We got 1%.
To June.
What was it? 1%, 15, net 30. So when is
I
the
believe so,
discount? When is the discount period for this one?
Uh,
15 days from,
15 days.
that's,
It'd be the 17th of July.
Say that again.
17th of July.
Let me see. 10 is going to be 2. No, not 17.
Not that far out.
should be the 7th.
Yes, 7 of July. You added a little too many days.
Yeah, 15 days from the 22nd of June is July 7th.
July 7, okay?
Well, at least I kept the 7 in there.
3,
Yeah, you got the 7 right.
January 11. So when is the due date? What is 30
July
days?
22nd.
July.
It'd be July 22nd. Good. Okay. And how much is my invoice due for?
370.
370 even. Nice. And if we did the calculations correct, it should be saying that we owe more money. And it should give us a grand total of $1,098.75 we owe to Atlas Coffee. Now let's take a look. Take a second and let's look. We have, in order to meet the discount, we have to pay between the 27th of June. So we're clear for now. Okay, we don't owe anything until July. Perfect. But if we want to make the discount period, we need to make that payment before June 27th in order to make that discount. So we still got time. All right? Okay. So what happened next?
Freight line.
Yes, our buddy Freightline decides to bill us for the delivery of the Atlas coffee. Okay.
On delivery. Okay.
Okay, so here we have 628. And what is the method? How did we pay them?
Cash on
COD,
delivery.
Cash on
Yes.
delivery.
All right, so how do you journalize this?
So we do checking.
Checking's going to be credit or debit?
Oh yeah, it's credit.
Debit.
Credit.
It's credit because yeah.
We're paying them.
Yeah, we're paying them.
Okay, so freight line. What is it? Freight.
Freight expense.
Not freight expense.
COD. Delivery. Shouldn't we put the company name on there?
Yeah, at the very bottom for the description.
Oh, okay.
We don't have an account called Freightline.
Right.
Two,
Right?
nope, 682.
It's a delivery.
Mm-hmm.
Delivery expense.
Not delivery expense. Do we have an account called delivery
I don't
expense?
remember
Delivery
Oh.
income.
Who's got the chart of accounts? I can't look.
I have a chart of accounts.
All right, let me.
It's delivery
Good.
some.
Are we delivering or did someone else deliver to us?
Someone else delivered to us.
Somebody else
Somebody
delivered.
else is delivering it. Uh-huh.
Okay, so delivery income, delivery charge is going to be not there. And that's part of income, so we're not receiving anything, and that would be a normal credit balance. So, what kind of inventory is regular and supreme coffee?
Great.
It's asset.
No,
An asset.
Okay, asset, yes, but what kind of inventory?
Supplies?
No, not supplies. What kind of inventory? What kind of tracking method are you using?
Oh, perpetual.
Mm-hmm.
Petrol.
Okay. And what do we know about perpetual?
You have to put it right into inventory.
Correct.
So inventory expense.
Okay, not inventory expense.
It's inventory. Yeah.
It's straight into inventory. So
Right, that's part of the inventory.
Just
But the-
inventory?
just regular inventory. So
yeah,
what are the accounts?
the
Okay.
account is 2,000 for inventory. Oh, no, 12,000, sorry.
Okay, not the inventory main account. You have to be specific because we have to split the freight cost between the two.
Oh, that's right, okay.
So what
Oh, so we got to do irregular coffee
yes.
and supreme coffee.
You're doing pretty good for being loopy.
I am so out of it. I mean,
I know.
some things are familiar and some things are hazy, and I don't know what the heck I'm talking about.
Okay, so 20 well you're doing pretty good. And checking is
Somebody thinks so.
10 100. Okay?
And then checking.
Okay? So how much was this freight charge for?
It was 62.50.
62?
62.50. And we should split that in half, right? Because it's the same weight.
Yeah,
Correct.
31.25.
31.25 is correct.
31.25.
Good. Now, because we had to pay COD, what did we have to do first?
Write him a check.
Write a check. Okay, so 622. So our check number is going to be for 1521 for 62.50. And who are we writing it out to?
Freight line.
Freight line, that's correct. Freight. There you go. So 1521. So our check number is 1521.
Okay.
Invoice number.
Yeah, I'm so glad that we don't have, you're not counting your spelling.
Okay.
You want to go to a ledger?
Yes. We go to ledger.
And bottom of page 6. One more room. So we got page 7.
Wrong column.
Yep, I sure am. 3125. Oh,
Oh, shouldn't that be?
okay.
$368.28.
368.28 is correct, David.
And then go to Supreme Coffee on page 8.
Mm-hmm.
It's
Page 8.
31.
Page 9.
Is this the correct one?
Now 431.99
Yep, that's correct.
in debit.
Yep.
And
Okay.
we want
62. It was for 62.50, right? 62.50.
Yeah, I'm checking.
Mhm.
On page 2. 6, 2, 11. So for 62.50. We got 2085.52 minus 62.50 equals $2,023.02.
Good job. That's right. All right. Where do we go next?
Next, we have to add the update our inventory.
Okay, update your inventory if you wanted to. Okay, we can do that.
Yeah. That was the closer stack next to me.
Okay. So regular coffee.
Regular coffee. We're gonna add. What happened over there?
Oopsies.
31.25 in Frank.
Mm-hmm.
171. 125 plus 31.25 equals 250.
Yes.
No.
Yes, 202.50.
And we want to adjust our inventory.
Uh-huh.
103 plus 125, 128.
Okay.
No, that can't be right.
No, you're right. 228. Oh, you said 128.
Yeah. 228.
Yes.
And we got 165.78 minus 25. That's 140. 140. 143. Divide that by
What are you doing? Where are you?
222 equals. Okay, I took 165.78 minus
165.78. Where are you getting this number? 165.78. Okay. What do you do with that?
minus 25.75
Why?
for the new balance on hand.
Why are you minusing?
Yeah, we're adding, we just bought it.
We just got that. We just got inventory. We're adding it together, right?
Okay.
Yeah, so we're adding.
65.78 plus.
Net of 228 pounds.
191.53.
No. We are adding the total
Yes.
amount, which is 202.50.
Oh, okay. All right. 16. Yeah, 368.28.
Perfect.
I was doing the wrong total.
Yes.
I was looking at the total cost of goods.
Oh, okay.
That's when we sell something.
Mm-hmm. Okay.
And 386.28 divided by 228.
Mm-hmm.
And that 15263
Good. Good.
1.6 152. Okay.
Okay.
And now we're 31.25, 198, 175 plus 131.25 equals 230. And I person this out, so we're gonna take 125, go over by itself. We're gonna take 230, divide that by 125, 1.84.
1.84. Let's see, is that even? No way. Oh, wow. Yay, it's an even number.
It is,
Well,
yeah.
And 1.84 times 125 is 230.
Yeah.
Good job. All right. All right, what's the last thing before you guys go? What's the last thing that you need to update?
An aspirin bottle. Let's see.
Who billed us? Yeah, subsidiary account. Yeah, sorry, I wasn't here. Yes. 1521. Invoice was what? 628. General journal number 11. Total invoice amount was 6250. That's why I was like, oh, really? It's only 6250. Okay, so then therefore we paid it off 6250. So therefore we owe $0. Okay.
Yes.
All right, so you guys go ahead and update that in your subsidiary ledger, and I'm going to go ahead and mark that that was the last thing that we did. So tomorrow we're going to be continuing with our delivery to Great Restaurant. Okay, so good job, guys. Pushing through. It is 4:45, so you guys kind of went over time, but that's okay. I didn't want you to leave in the middle of a transaction. So good job, guys. So again, tomorrow we're just gonna go over a